In this lesson, we will review the questions and answer part 2 for spanning tree protocol concepts. Let's get started with the first question. The question reads, assuming STP is being used, if IT Live Skill Switch 1 does not send STP Hello PPDU message to IT Live Skill Switch 4, how long does it take for IT Live Skill Switch 4 to transition its port Gs41 to forwarding state? To answer this question, we need to look at the timers set on the root switch. When IT Live Skill Switch 4 stops receiving the Hello PPDU message from IT Live Skill Switch 1, it will wait for the max age timer, which is 40 seconds, to expire. Then it transitions the port G41 to listening state, and it will wait for another 20 seconds, which is the forward delay timer, to transition the port Gs41 from listening state to learning state. Then it will wait for another 20 seconds to transition the port Gs41 from learning state to forwarding state. So the total wait time is 40 seconds plus 20 seconds plus 20 seconds. So it is 80 seconds. Therefore, the answer for this question is C. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Spanning tree protocol timers. The question reads, all switches have the 4 STP settings and function correctly. Which of the statements are true? To answer this question, we need to build the spanning tree for this network. In this network, IT Live Skill Switch 3 is a root bridge because it has the lowest bridge priority. Therefore, all of its ports will become designated ports. All switches in this network use 1 gigabit per second links, so we can easily figure out that these are the root ports. Now let's look at this link. In this link, the bridge priority on IT Live Skill Switch 2 is less than the bridge priority on IT Live Skill Switch 1. So the port Gs21 will become designated ports and the port Gs12 will become non-designated ports. Now let's look at this link. In this link, the bridge priority on switch 2 is equal to the bridge priority on switch 4. However, when we look at the MAC address, C is less than F, so the port Gs24 will become designated ports and the port Gs42 will become non-designated ports. Now let's look at the answer. Port Gs12 on IT Live Skill Switch 1 in blocking state and receive PPDU. This answer is correct. Port Gs22 on IT Live Skill Switch 2 in blocking state and receive PPDU. This answer is not correct. Port Gs34 on IT Live Skill Switch 3 is in forwarding state and forward PPDU. This answer is correct. Port Gs43 on IT Live Skill Switch 4 is in forwarding state and forward PPDU. This answer is not correct because the root port only receives PPDU. Therefore, the answers for this question are A and C. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. How spanning tree protocol works. The question reads, all switches have the 4 STP settings and function correctly. Which switch port in this network should be enabled port fast? The port fast feature should be enabled on the port that is connected to a host. Therefore, the answer for this question is A. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Spanning tree protocol concepts and features. The question reads, what happens if STP is disabled on this network? As you can see, in this network there's multiple loops. This is a loop, and this is a loop, and this is a loop. So if STP is disabled on this network, the broadcast storm will happen, and it will cause the MAC table instability, and the same broadcast frame is being received on our host multiple times. Therefore, the answers for this question are A, C, and D. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. Why spanning tree protocol? The question reads, with the four settings, what is the root cause advertised by IT Live Skill Switch 4 on the port G45? To answer this question, we need to remember this table. From the table, we can easily figure out that the root cause on the port G31 is 8, and the root cause via the port F32 is 19. So the port G31 will become the root port, and the port F32 will become non-designated port. So IT Live Skill will advertise its root cause on the port F34 is 8, and this is a 100 megabit per second link, so the port cost on the port F43 is 19. Therefore, the IT Live Skill Switch 4 will advertise the root cause on the port G45 is 27. So the answer for this question is A. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. How spanning tree protocol works. The question reads, all switches have the four STP setting and function correctly. How many root ports does IT Live Skill Switch 2 have? To answer this question, we need to remember that in a spanning tree, the root switch have no root ports, and the non-root switch have only one root port. So to answer this question, we need to figure out the root switch. In this network, IT Live Skill Switch 3 is a root switch because it has the lowest bridge priority. Therefore, IT Live Skill Switch 2 have only one root port, and the answer for this question is B. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. How spanning tree protocol works. The question reads, all switches have the four STP settings and function correctly. Which of the statements are true? First of all, if you look at the answers, you will see that the answers focus on these two links. So in order to answer this question, we need to find the root switch and see how these two links are connected to the root switch. In this network, IT Live Skill Switch 2 is the root switch because it has the lowest bridge priority. Therefore, all of its ports will become designated ports. Port G21 has lower bridge ID than port G25 because 1 is less than 5. So the port G14 receives better PPDU, and it will become the root port, and the port G12 will become non-designated port. Now we can easily find the answer for this question are A and D. You can find the detailed explanation for this question in the video. How spanning tree protocol works. This is the end of this lesson. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching.